Manipur Laingakta ahungba kaya lakibaga loinana BJP na luchingba laingaki luchingba khannanaba hotnabada hauzik fauba lekhai taba ngamdri ngarangdagi hauduna Imphal Hotel da BJP North East ki coordinator Sambit Patrana BJP gi MLA sing amamamta oina unakiba adu ngasisu makha chathari Amaromda Manipur Laingakta Forest and Environment Minister Oiramba Thongam Bisojita Paumbi Singna hangba wahangi paukumda mifam pangthok liba asi Kanana Anoba Chief Minister Oigeni Haibagi Matang Danate, Manipur Santi Hanjilakna Nabani Haina Fongdok Lamki, Amaromda Nongtongpam Birena Luchingba BJP gi Ani Suba Tam da Saugat Kiba, NPF ki Oina Party Asigi State President Hana, Water Resources Minister Oiramba Awangbong Nyungmaina, Mahaki Party gi Firepti Ahongba Leite, Hana Laukiba Firepta Adumak Hongdana Lay Haidi, Adumoinamak, Tasigi Tang Mapanda, New Delhi Degi Halakpaga, Razbavanda Chatlaga Chief Minister from Degi resigned Tauragi Haina, Cherol Pisin Kibamatung, Haujik Fauba Masing Suna Lay Haidiba, BJP Party gi MLA Singi Marakta, Makoigi Legislative Party gi Luchingba Khanduna, Anoba Chief Minister Ama Khanbagi Wafam, Lekai Taba, Ngamdana Lady.
Sir, you have been meeting with Sambit Patrana. Any updates, sir? Any updates on formation of government, sir?
Who will be the next CM, sir?
Who will be next CM?
No, we don't discuss for the CM.
Sir, when will be the next government form?
We just discuss to bring back the peace only.
Okay.
Going on. It is for the betterment of everyone.
We understand it, but when will the result
time will come and everyone.
Because tomorrow
So what is the stand? Sir, what is the stand of NPF, sir? So what is the stand of NPF, sir, right now?
Our stand is always the same.
आज कुछ तो बता दो सर.
Nothing to be said. I just wanted to meet him because he's our in charge. That's all. That is not my relevance. I don't have to comment on that because I don't have the authority to say like that. But I think center will decide everything. Whatever the center says, we'll abide by that command and instruction. That's all. I think the High Command will decide everything. We have to write the instruction. Then it's up to them to decide. Things to be done. We requested him to try to maximum to return the normalcy in Manipur. That's all we requested him because he's in charge of our Manipur state unit. And we told him, we request him and we appeal him from the center side, please try to find a way or to return normalcy in Manipur.
CM ga malau thokani khone ha bi pot ti khoi leite na khoi adumai fail taw ha khoi na sungwani sabda sajabda ko technicality mas mayam du dia dum khoi India government na khanarongani khoi di toina keno tawtre
it's just a courtesy call. Nothing. It's just a courtesy call.
NPF.